quarter hour in, really sticks out in the memory. That game in Sheffield, Ronald Williams, one of defensive duties at the moment. Salles takes it out from speed, finding Morena here.
Oh, Temple.
In their squad to have started all 6 matches is Ronald Williams. He hasn't missed a minute. Valuable experience at the recent African Nations. Having been deployed in the midfield earlier in the group stages, really shone at the tournament. There he is here. Magesi from behind to win that one 2-1.
Into that game. Hopefully that's a Mamelodi Sundowns victory. But this man is just all the ball.
No concerns over fitness of the midfield mainstay, but just
it's an important player. Club ball can't be playing all the games, so you need to find out some breaks.
Litaku.
Have had their turf relayed at Klub all their main training.
Oh, Malbongo
makes a rare mistake. Here's Wonderboy Makubu. He's that moment.
Hey, look at that pass as well. Very, very difficult for Koza, and then he slipped in. Kubu make sure that he pounced because he is the lone striker.
Oh, yeah, boys, game show, you boys.
Of course, with that awkward angle, toe pokes it. And from was passing, he pounced on it.
Wow,
Magesi on the score sheet.
Now up the other side, Income Rain is receiving from Salles.
Because then with all this equipment that we're using lately, very light, and they're not
you
sometimes
man.
in your ankles, and as a football, you always want to have the best equipment.
With the challenge.
Portugal.
Of his young career has played more often in advanced areas than in defense. Matthews cracks up towards goal. This chip is there with a diving save.
In around that ball, they a little bit bouncy there. But yet again, good improvisation there been done there by Matthews, but equally good save as well. A little bit of a deflection as well, but good footwork as well from
Batusi.
Abbas with a loose touch. Manages to recover.
Primitiva.
In terms of goals, in terms of scoring goals and creating goals, Salles was exceptional in terms of assisting as well.
It's exceptional here on the flank, and a good cross to find Rangers touch-freak Matthews.
To worry about the space and the speed that Mabu has.
Drilled out to the right-hand flank from the free kick. Delano Abrahams unfairly
as well.
Zungu delivers.
Hi, boo.
Nicely worked.
Some
pushing. Yeah, I think they'll be onto his arm. Test this time around. And then when he gets the ball back, is able to deliver it swiftly downfield for Salles. It's now moved on to Matthews. Moriba.
Tapela. Litaku. No, Litaku.
He might say something different, but it was the second time for Mamelodi Sundowns to have that shot on target. To look at the control, the miscontrol. But he found the tackle in the right position. And this is the first time we've seen Mamelodi Sundowns have momentum. So it'll be interesting to see then how those things pan out.
Matthews has a crack. First appearance in the league this season.
First appearance all
this season. Goes down and rather. Take a shot for Allende. Finding Letlaku. Floated it in. Negusa's there. Salles!
There you go. Onside.
But it looked to be a
good
onside.
It was a good attempt indeed. A clever little free kick there being played by Mamelodi Sundowns. Look at Salles how he lives there.
A 1-0 victory. He does get that opportunity.
I'm cool guy.
It's still not clear. I'll cause that. Thought would be relishing a chance to get forward, but now Sundowns.
I want a Tiba face.
They did hit 800.
Itako.
Unbelievable feat for a single 90 minutes.
Hey, got the Sales.
Crucial.
Great.
Taking it to the upcoming FIFA World Cup balls, given away really cheap.
Hi, Bo. Hey.
Magesi. This is the mistake from Zandi. They put it in.
Hey, Bo.
I can see that he's very unsure with that pass as well. It's unfortunate that
More convincingly than this, just in terms of accumulating.
Oh.
The entirety of last season, 28 Betway Premiership games.
I know what the face.
Now Matthews.
I
you do expect that. I mean, he's a player that also knows how to play this type of ball since I was probably
Oh, red card. Oh, we are better. It's a Kenyan, it's about. Oh,
losing that.
No, I'm trying to say that.
Just disrupt the whole game.
Must have
Maybe you wanted.
on side, no, I'm going to get the box in. How?
Offside trap here, and Delano Abrahams.
We spoke about Evans getting to
Given away.
Oh, it's a Kufanwami.
The first team is.
Who is that?
also want to try and get those wins from points and try and get a draw. But it's a very, very difficult game plan.
So decent ball.
I have to make this police.
Slip it through for Raiders.
A bit passing. Or just to try to make the clearance.
What plus side
Short
on
from the corner.
Lisa! What
Salas possessed by.
Hey, Timmy, man.
Finding Matthew. Oden.
Oh!
Raiders.
Oh!
Salas. A wide cross in. Passed upon.
Gosh,
hangs it up towards
I think my face.
Urenas got the face.
My face.
But look at Tackle Look at Raiders name. They're trying to play the cross.
Crossing bar.
And there was no one. Coach Madugo will be, looking forward to see.
Matthews.
Hey, Matthews.
Still has it, Matthews. Of their previous campaign, which ended with a 2-0 win over Magesi.
Oh, fair too. What's that, though?
Morena, now Sanes goes gliding forward. Artur Sanes with the effort deflected.
I get the Shika bad and Shishia Shannon. Shishia Shannon. Hey!
Ashley through. Morena. No, he's managed to keep it alive. And it's from Raiders from close range.
Zakala Matota.
Must go to Morena.
Look at the drive that he gets there.
Top the boy.
Morena was very concerned with his first touch rather because he had to stretch for it, but he kept the ball alive.
Yeah, I told you to
This time around, Raiders was able to finish. And look at that, even though they didn't have full in December, it's often one of the part of that for you to spend a chance to be in a World Cup spot.
Oh!
Here.
Kokozela. Ah, baba, ngebe wini laba. Uzamile umsado. Simple. Beautiful.
Sandy's doubled up this afternoon in Providence with his second today and his third in the bit of the ball.
That was nicely played by Medina. Look at the run as well. Look at the touch. Just the touch. Knowing exactly what it is. So those are strikers' instinct. Look at that. Just redirecting it and giving so much problem for Chimpazeli to make that save.
That's a long delivery from Moriba. Dictator. From Raiders. Right.
Oh! Hey, that's Maseko.
Dribble slightly, sets it up for Magesi.
Andrew, siyabonga mfethu. Hayi siyabonga.
Maseko now. There's options to his left. Still Maseko.
Started, you know,
Now this could be an opportunity.
Yo. Give it.
I think he started.
Oh, that fifth. Not 50 inches of it.
Oh, wahlala phansi.
But it's not email him. I'll email him.
Oh man.
This is sick, bro. Toby's back.
A number of goals as well that we scored in it.
Oh,
Maseko. Amaseko one.
how is the scene? Alright,
Adams on the edge of the area. Yes, Raiders.
Ikram. Now Maseko.
Ikram, there
Here you go. Spons.
Small man,